Hi, I'm Autumn. I'm from the Coronation Gardens project, which is a collaboration between the Wildlife Trusts, Garden Organic, Incredible Edible and the Women's Institute. So I'm going to talk to you about hot bins, which are like composting, but they work a lot faster because the way they're constructed means they get a much higher internal heat. There are a variety on the market, but they do tend to be quite large so that they can work properly. You can put a larger range of things inside because the internal heat means that it will break down things like perennial seeds. They're also quite a bit faster, so you'll get compost out of these within a matter of months rather than having to wait a year or so. Most types on the market will have some sort of temperature gauge, so you can keep an eye on the internal temperature. Once it drops below around 50 degrees C, you will need to turn the compost inside. Some more expensive models mean you don't have to do the turning yourself. These are best placed in full sun because that can help them get up to the right temperature inside. You can feed them all the stuff that you would put into your normal compost heap. You're still trying to go for the same balance between the nitrogen-rich and the carbon-rich matter. So that is your grass clippings, food peelings, this sort of thing, and things like shredded up cardboard. If your model gets hot enough, you can even add in chopped up animal bones, but this will take longer to compost. If you've got space for a hot bin and you want to get fast compost, this might be a good choice for you. There are lots on the market, so do your research.